congratulate you कि Mehndi Arasne Wali has completed 100 episodes very recently, and we have also completed
a lot of amazing response, a fantastic response. So I'm happy for that.
yes. So Sai, like कैसे इसकी शुरुआत हुई, how you were approached for this role, और क्या एक peculiar aspect था जो आपको इस role के बारे में, इस character के बारे में बहुत पसंद आया, कैसे auditioning हुई?
कैसे auditioning हुई मतलब this the role of Raghav Rao, like the audition happened last year in 2020 during lockdown time when the whole entire India was in lockdown and we were sitting in our home. तो फिर मैंने online audition video record करके मैंने भेजा था to casting agency and then they forwarded to the production house and then I got a call that your video has been shortlisted, so we'll do a demo shoot. And then I went to Bombay for the demo shoot and then I got to know that they got a lot of profiles, in hundreds and hundreds they got.
Yes.
Role of Raghav and also for the role of Pallavi, and they shortlisted a few members there. And they shot one single scene with all the members. And
Okay.
Yeah, it was a big process, but yeah, that's how it started, and that's how I'm here.
You were
I got
the
this-
lucky one.
I can't tell lucky. There's too much of hard work, there's too much of skill around.
Yes.
And that's how I portrayed myself there in front of the camera.
Yes. And I am sincerely, even DMs to be मुझे ये आया है कि you are quite humble, quite polite towards your fans also, and I think that is also very appreciable. और जिस संजीदगी के साथ आपने इस करेक्टर को भी प्ले किया, your looks, your dapper looks, your expressions, आपकी dialogue delivery, expressions, facial gestures, all are amazing. क्योंकि ये एंग्री प्ले बॉय रिच बिजनेसमैन का एक करेक्टर है और इजी नहीं होता इसे निभाना.
पता नहीं, I went with the flow. I just with the scene. अभी एक सीन जैसे मेरे पास आता है, अगर मुझे लगा कि मुझे इस scene में मुझे ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, I just feel that and अंदर से that I should do like this, I'll do it. I just go with the flow. That's how it's been portrayed there.
Yes. And Aga, one of the questions I also got, what are the similarities or differences, between this character of Raghav Rao and you personally?
There are similarities. There are a lot of similarities actually. From 100, I can tell like 80% I can see that I'm similar to Raghav somewhere. And I like the role of Raghav, especially his swag, and he has his own style. He has his own aura around the role.
Yes.
What it makes different and very unique to the audience, and that's what I liked it. And the second is the story of Raghav Rao. It's not only Mehndi Arasne Wali. Raghav Rao has his own separate story that he has recently opened up there in front of Pallavi. That's the thing. These are all the things like which I liked it. And finally the role, the story, the main concept story of Mehndi Arasne Wali, that's also very much interesting. And I should really thank Mr. Sandeep Sikand for developing such fantastic. So that's the thing.
Yes, very well said. And I completely agree कि ये एक transformative life journey भी दिखा रहा है राघव राव के पूरे कैरेक्टर की, कि from negative somewhat बहुत multiple shades है, multidisciplinary character है ये.
Yeah, there are multiple shades for this role. And that's what it pulled me around here.
Yes. And Sai, this is your first, TV show, TV project. उससे पहले आप तमिल की films कर रहे थे. तो like कैसे you have done BTech in CSE, even I have also done the same in 2020. Just I got graduated. So ये मतलब it was a childhood dream to become an actor.
Yes, and this is like the first time being in front of the camera, and this is my first Hindi show. This is my first TV show, but in Telugu I have done a TV show there also. That's the thing. Yeah, it's every project has its own different experience, different journey. So I take it like as a different experience for my own life.
And everything, हम जो भी pursue करते हैं, कोई भी हमारे goals, कोई भी project, they have something to offer. हर चीज में एक वो distinguishedness है.
You learn something. You learn some different attributes from each and every project what you do.
Yes. Okay. अब मैं सारे कुछ fans के questions ले लेता हूँ. They have sent me some questions. So would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, please. I would love to answer them. I would really, really love to answer them.
Okay. So first is what kind of scenes you like to do most? Romantic, action, intense, or comic?
Action and intense.
Okay.
Action and intense.
Yes. Compliments that you are tired of hearing. मतलब जो compliment बहुत common है, generalized है, वो आता ही आता है from fans.
So you have options in that, or shall I just tell mine?
No, just you have to tell कि जो compliment आपको physical appearance पे जो बहुत बार मिलता हो या acting पे.
The first compliment is like you're so handsome, you're so thing, and the second compliment is like you act so well, you just rock the scene, and the scene
Yeah.
comes alive. These are the two compliments which I get a lot, and I'm very, very much overwhelmed. I'm very much happy for this, and people are appreciating my
Yeah.
performance.
Yes. You know, even they make that powerful edits and all. They are utilizing time. तो ये बहुत it is a big deal. In today's
Exactly.
time, someone is utilizing time for you.
And I really like them, and sometimes I also post their videos and photos in my Instagram
Yeah.
feed too. I like that.
Yes. तो एक वो बहुत authentic connection बन जाता है fans के साथ भी.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
Awesome.
What do you like to do in your free time? When you get free time, अभी तो मिलता नहीं होगा.
Exactly. So, for an example, I have a free time today, so I utilize my free time. Like I do my meetings. I do my photo shoots. So I
Virtual
build my
sessions.
virtual sessions. So I build my portfolio. So that's what I do, and I don't consider free time as my free time. I use it as a utility time. That's what everyone should do.
You do something productive out of it.
Just make something productive out of it.
Yes. Okay, next one. Your favorite scene. कोई बहुत अच्छा सीन जो बहुत मैजिकल हो, आपके बहुत क्लोज हो हार्ट से अभी तक.
मेरे favorite scenes specially ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. To be honest, I don't like I have any favorite scene, but each and every scene is very much important to me because I just can't make any scene down. It should go up only. So that
You are just giving your best
exactly.
in everyone.
छोटा सीन हो बड़ा सीन हो अच्छा रहना चाहिए.
Yeah. Okay. Which actress from Bollywood you would like to have a dinner date with?
I have never
Any
planned.
favorite actress from Bollywood?
I don't have any favorite actress from Bollywood actually, or neither from Tollywood. ऐसा कुछ favorite actress नहीं है where I want to go and have dinner with her. There's nothing.
Yes. And you know, hats off to the mentality and to the that mindfulness of all your fans कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे clumsy भी हैं, कुछ बहुत inquisitive questions हैं, but उसमें से मैंने बहुत sensible pick up किए हैं क्योंकि सारे तो possible नहीं है. Yeah.
मेरे fan के questions बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं. Answer
Yes.
sometimes.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Your dream travel destination.
Europe, any European country.
Okay. What made you choose the role of Raghav? Like when you read the script, then क्या वो एक था जो बहुत जिसने आपका attention catch कर लिया उस time script से?
Exactly. The role of Raghav I choose because firstly it's Raghav Rao and his mannerism, his own story there behind in Mehndi Rashnewali, and then the coming to the whole entire outer part. That's the entire Mehndi Rashnewali. That's what I liked it. And that's how I'm here. I really loved the entire story, the development of the characters, what they have developed. It's not only Raghav Rao. They have developed each and every character very, very specifically. Pallavi hai, and there is my mother, and there is my sister character, and Pallavi ke side ke characters jo hai. Her parents, her mom, dad, and so that they are designed in a very specific manner, and that's what's it, I guess, also for the show.
Yes, very true. They have been portrayed very well. Or it's you said it very right. It's all teamwork, team spirit. You know, with the
Exactly.
writers, producers, directors, everyone.
Exactly. So it's a big collaboration. That's how things